Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you step by step on how to actually send voice recordings, so voice memos, inside of Discord to your friends or to a group chat. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is fully close down Discord. So close down Discord, and from out here Discord has been closed. Now check it right here, there's no Discord anymore. Now from there open up your browser and head down to vencord.dev. Now from there we want to download Vencord. This is a client mod, a Discord client mod. Now here use the Windows version and download the Vencord installer.exe. Now as you can see it already installed. Simply open up the .exe file, we can close down the browser, and from out here we want to use the stable version right here and press install. Now from here it has been successfully patched. We can close down the installer or simply minus it, doesn't matter. And here we want to go to Discord again. Now simply open up the application, and as you can see it starts to update. Now let's check it out. Right here, what we want to do first is go into the settings. So right here to the user settings. And from out the user settings, we want to go into the Vencord settings. And as you can see, it created a setting in our Discord settings. Sorry. Go to plugins, open up the plugins, and here search for voice, because this is not automatically enabled. Now here, let's check for the voice messages right here. Now we turn the voice messages on, press escape, and here let's test it out in a random group chat. As you can see, we are inside a group chat and we want to use the plus icon right besides the message tab. And here we can send a voice message. Now you can start recording or upload a file. Now let's start recording real quick. This is a test, stop recording. Now you can actually hear it. And from out there, I have turned my sound off in the app, so it doesn't matter. From there, you can change the volume and you can send it. Now right here, when we scroll down here, we have the voice memo. Now it is easy as that. And here you can send voice memos to your friends or to a group chat. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.